Okay, so today's question is minimum absolute distance between mirror pairs. So you are given an integer array nums. A mirror pair is a pair of indices ij such that I is greater than equal to 0 and I is less than j and j is less than nums length. And the reverse of nums of I is equal to nums of j, where reverse of x denotes the integer formed by reversing the digits of the x. Okay. And leading zeros are omitted after reversing. For example, 1 to 0, when we reverse it, it will be 0 to 1, which will nothing but 21. So return the minimum absolute distance between the indices of any mirror pair. The absolute distance between indices I and j is absolute of I minus j, and if there is no mirror pair exists, we will simply return -1. So let's try to code this. It is marked as medium. So what we will do first, we will create a function to reverse the given num. So let's do that. So define reverse, give it a name reverse, and we can pass the variable as number. Okay, now we can declare a value answer is equal to 0. Now we will always divide this number by 10 to get the last digit and add that to the answer. Okay, so let's do that. So while number is not equal to 0, okay, what we will do, we will take the remainder. Remainder is nothing but number not less equal to 10, and what this remainder will give us, this remainder will always give the last element, okay, last digit of that particular number. So, and what we will do, we will keep the adding this last digit to the answer. So suppose if answer is 1, we want to create one more space, so we will multiply it by 10 and then add that value. So similarly, what we will do, answer is equal to answer into 10, we to increase a and to give a size one more number so that we can add there the number, and plus this remainder, add this remainder, so it will be added to the last of that number. Okay, and what the number will become, simply number will become number double divided by 10, because after that we will just make the quotient. Okay, this remainder is already added there, and finally you can simply return answer. So what this function will do, this function will give us the reverse of any digit. Okay, now let's go to our code. So what we will do, we will first set answer is equal to float infinity. They are asking for minimum value, so we will declare it as maximum at the first. And what we will do, we will create the last sim dictionary, which will store if the reverse of this particular value we have seen before. Okay, so last sim. Now simply go to the num. So for I comma val in array nums, suppose if if val in last sim, if val in last sim, that means this number is already exist before as the reverse of some other number. So what we will do, so we should take answer is equal to minimum of answer comma what is the current index I minus last sim of val. If that's not the case, what we will do, we will simply store last sim of what we will store. We will store the reverse of current value, because see, for the earlier values it was the reverse of that nums of I, which will be equal to j, nums of j. So all the values after that will be compared with the reverse of this value. We simply install it index, store it index. So yeah, and only we can return -1 if answer is equal to float infinity. If still the answer is float infinity, else we can return answer. So let's try to run and check if this works. Okay, so test cases has passed. Let's try to submit and check. So our code has passed successfully. Thank you for watching.